Tree cutting protects the overhead wires. I choose the left-hand fork at dawn along the Custis Trail. A familiar fox creeps low into the undergrowth. I gaze from the low-humped bridge over the glassy watershed, where turtles float on lily leaves. Then onward to the little pond, where cattails like sentries rise tall from marsh weeds and nod to me. I kneel down on the bank and wait. Where are you, red-winged blackbird? Where's your splash of wing in morning flight? I listen for your chick, chick, chick. The cattails hover round me in the growing heat, heads bent now as if in prayer. Sunlight shafts downward through the steam that rises like funerary incense from the warming waters. Blackbird, where is your singing tree? Where your crooked leafy arbor? The cattails shudder in the southern breeze. Then I see it, what's left of the old alder, beheaded, hacked, dismembered, no wings, no scarlet flash, no chick, chick, chick. The tree's life stump steep sap. Brown leaves like drying scabs weep on its splintered limbs. The long-armed cattails encircle me.